Electricity is an essential power supply. We all use it every day and take for granted that it's a clean and safe power source. The vast majority of the time, this is all true. However, it is a fact that there are many serious accidents per year involving electricity, and some prove fatal. Whilst it is generally safe, if not used with the proper care and attention, it poses a very significant risk. And so, in this programme, we will provide an introduction to electrical safety, including a range of essential safety precautions. This guidance may appear straightforward, but when accidents happen, it is often due to a failure to follow the simple measures outlined in this programme.